Some examples in jump if bit set is over now. First instruction.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then take next one, second one. Second instruction. JNB bit comma relative. Function is function jump if bit not set. Jump if bit not set. Not set. Take the description for this. If the indicated bit is a 0, if the indicated bit is a 0, branch to the indicated address, branch to the indicated address. Otherwise, proceed with the next instruction. Proceed with the next instruction. The bit tested is not modified. The bit tested is not modified. Take the operation for this. Operation for the instruction. It will be going to show with respect to the program counter plus 3. If bit is equal to 0. Why? Because jump if bit not set. Not set means it's a 0 condition. If it is 0 condition, then only it will be true. If it is 1, then it is a false statement. So that then if bit is 0, then program counter will be stored with program counter plus relative address. Whatever it may be, either it may be 3, 4, 5, anything. Just for example, I am going to take a 3. For example, if I am going to start with a 0300 plus 3 means it will be jump to 0, 0301, 302, 303. After this 1, 2, 3 across here it will be going to jump. That is the meaning of this. If I will take 5, it will be going to jump with respect to 305. If I will take 10, it will be going to jump with 310, like that. Okay, that relative address will be depends on the memory location which I am going to select. That is the based on the program counter we can represent. Next, with respect to this, we'll take one suitable example. With respect to this, we'll take some address. We'll take some address as we discussed in the last instruction. Same 03000301 0302 0303 so on. Why? Because I'm going to specify after program counter. If program counter is showing here, it will be going to add with the 3. If I'm going to add 3 with respect to this, it will be coming over here. That is why I will be going to stop here. If I'm going to take this as a 5, it will be up to 0305. If it is 10, 310, like that, it will be keep on increasing. Based on that, I'm going to consider the value. Okay. Okay, with respect to this address, I'm going to write the program jump if bit not set accumulator dot 0, it will be going down or it will be going to increment or not. So down, this is a label across here, it will be going to take decrement R1. Okay, see here, jump if bit not set, accumulator not 0. If it is not set, it will be going to here. If it is set, it will be going with the next instruction. Okay, that we can take before execution, after execution. Okay, before execution, we'll have program counter. Program counter is equal to 0300H. Then if I can take accumulator dot 0 is equal to 1 if it is set. If it is set, so that after execution accumulator dot 0 is equal to 1, so that your program counter will be, what is address? What is the program counter address?
0301.
0301. Why? Because this is a false statement. This is a false statement. Why? Because accumulator dot 0 will be going to set. If it is set, it will be not going to the label. It will be going to continue with the next instruction. Next instruction. Okay. If here I will take now here accumulator dot 0 is equal to 1, then condition is false. Then condition is false. Condition is false. So processor will be executes. 1 minute. Processor make a note is false. So processor executes next instruction, that is increment or not. Increment or not. Increment or not. So for the same program, we'll take second example. Before execution, my program counter will be same 0300H. If I will take accumulator dot 0 is equal to 0, then after execution accumulator dot 0 is equal to 0, then what about program counter? 030H. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It goes to.
Okay. Make a note. After this instruction, make a note. Here the condition is true. So processor jumps to the address specified by the label. Address specified by the label and executes that instruction. Execute that instruction. That is decrement R1. Decrement R1. Okay. See here I have wrote both false condition as well as a true condition. First one I have taken false condition, accumulator dot 0 is equal to 1, means it is a set condition. The instruction is jump if bit not set. Bit not set. Okay. If it is not set, it is set already, so that it will be going with the next instruction. It's a false statement. The second one will be true statement, that is if bit will be bit not set, it is not set, it is accumulator will be 0, so that it will be going to jump to the label where exactly decrement R1 it will be going to jump. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Take next instruction. Oh, sorry, some similar instructions I will write. You make a note. Program counter is equal to, sorry. We'll have set bit accumulator. set bit accumulator dot zero, accumulator dot zero. Here jump if no bit set accumulator dot zero, comma here move R2 comma R3 comma R3. Then one more example, we'll have jump if no bit set accumulator dot zero comma next increment A, next decrement A. Or this is decrement A, decrement A. The next instruction, jump if bit is set and clear bit, JBC bit comma relative address. Take the function jump, function is jump if bit is set and clear bit, if bit is set and clear bit. Description, if the desired bit is high, if the desired bit is high, it will jump to the target address. If the desired bit is high, it will jump to the target address or specified address, that is label. At the same time, that bit is cleared to 0. That bit is cleared to 0. If the desired bit is low, then processor proceeds with the next instruction. The processor proceeds with the next instruction. Take the operation. Operation is program counter is loaded with a program counter plus relative address. If bit is equal to 1, then bit will be made it to 0. Then the program counter will be program counter plus relative address. We'll write the example here for the second instruction, third instruction. Take the address 0300, 301, 302, 303. Here I will take next across here. This will be around this only. Set bit accumulator dot 7. Next instruction, jump if bit is set and clear bit of accumulator dot 7 to Next, move port 1 comma A, whatever it may be in the accumulator, it will be moving to port 1. Then at next increment R0. Before execution, we'll have accumulator dot 7 is equal to 1. Program counter will be 0301. After execution, accumulator dot 7 is equal to 0. Then program counter is equal to 030. Have you understood? See, it's a true statement. At accumulator dot 7 will be going to set. Once it will be going to set, what it will do? It will be going to reset and it will be moving to the destination address, means it will be moving to next. The instruction will be from next to next. It will be going to take. If accumulator dot 7 is equal to 0, if it is 0, it will be continue with the next instruction. That is the meaning. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, we'll move to next instruction. Take next instruction. Jump if carry is set. Jump if carry is set. Target or jump if carry at relative address. Function. Take the function for the above instruction. Jump if carry is set. That is carry flag is equal to 1. Jump if carry is set. Description. Make a note. Description. If the carry flag is set, branch to the address indicated. Branch to the address indicated. Otherwise, proceed with the next instruction. Proceed with the next instruction. Take the operation. I'll write the operation now. Operation. It will be going to move to program counter plus 2 or 3, anything if you want you can take. If carry flag is equal to 1, then program counter will be moving to program counter plus relative address. I will write the example here. I will take address 0300 0301 so on 0345. I will take first. I will take the instruction set bit carry, jump if carry to next, increment A. Here I will take next instruction, increment or not. Here I will take the condition if carry is equal to 0, it will be going to execute with the next instruction. If carry is equal to 1, it will be moving to this location. Can you write the before execution and after execution for the given program? Before execution, carry is equal to 1. Program counter, it will be showing to 0, 3, 0, 1. After execution, condition will be satisfied or not satisfied?
Satisfied, sir.
Yes, carry is equal to 1. Then if it is carry is equal to 1, where it will be move? It will be moving around next. What is the program counter address? The address will be 0, 3. This is the. Then make a note here. First point, note. If carry is equal to 1, if carry is equal to 1, then jumps to then address specified by label. Next point, if carry is equal to 0, then executes the next instruction. See, this is one type of example. Okay, this is one type of example. Now I will put some masala for this instruction. It means jump if bit. I will take directly jump if carry. After this, before this, I will not set the carry. Here, I am only setting the carry. Am I right? I am going to set the carry. Then I am going to check whether the reset. Now, what I will do? Now I am going to take move A, 0. I will take F0, add A, hash FF. Whatever the date with respect to addition, that will be stored in the accumulator. After this instruction, jump if carry next or increment A. Can you write before execution and after execution? Anyone? Can you try this? See, before execution, you have A is equal to F0. Then I'm going to add F02, I will write here. F0 to FF I'm going to add. F0 means 1110, 1110, 000, double 1111, 0000. FF means all ones. Now I'm going to take an example to show carry is equal to 1. I'm going to show for carry is equal to 1. Now add all these 1, 1, 1, 1. I'm going to get 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 1, carry 1, already 1 plus 1, carry generated, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1 already carry generated, 0 plus 1 will get 1. This is the answer I'm going to get, but we are going to generate a carry. Okay, here in the accumulator, it will be going to store this value. What is the equivalent of this value will be? It will be going to generate F.
EF, sir.
Sorry?
EF, sir.
EF will be stored in the accumulator. Carry will be generated in the accumulator. Here in the accumulator, EF is there, but program counter will be jumps to the 035. That is the meaning. Got everyone? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, we'll move to next instruction. See, I will give one example. You have to try with different notations. Like writing program, you should try. Then only you are comfortable to write the programs. Got everyone? Okay, next, take next instruction. Jump if no carry. JNC. Target or jump if no carry relative. Can you try this? Can you try this? You should write function, description, and operation, and example. Take the function jump if no carry, carry is equal to 0. Description. This instruction checks the carry flag, and if carry is equal to 0, it will jump to the target address. You should write the program counter. Sorry, operation you have to write. I will write one example. You should I will write one simple program. Use some simple instructions using, I will write one program. You have to trace that. Move A comma #0fh. Move. I cannot directly. No, I will take one more register. Move B comma #0f0h. add a comma b. I should not get carry as 0 0 f 0 f jump if no carry to down, increment or not, add c comma, add ca comma hash 30h, jump if no carry to down. Down is move 40h comma a. See, if they will ask program, you should write the comments each and every step. Comments carries 30% of the marks. Program carries 50% of the marks. Before execution, after execution carries 20% of the marks. Okay, this is the flow of evaluation. I wrote everything, sir. I didn't even left a single line, sir, in microcontroller, but I got only 21 out of 60, sir, because of simple mistakes like this. Shall we trace this? Now I'm going to load A is equal to 0fh, B is equal to f0h. I'm going to add A plus B, and again A is stored with a 0f, f0, you get ff. ff is correct. ff is correct. ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ?
Yes, sir. Same.
ff. Jump if no carry. Any carry is generating at the 8th bit?
No, sir.
No carry. So that jump if no carry up to here. Move. Sorry. At the 40h, we are going to store ff. That's it. Your program is over. Before execution, write these things, and after execution, what happens? You have to write. In case if you are going to generate a carry, for example, I will take an example, other number, ff if I am going to take, or 0f0, ff if I am going to take. Last number what I have taken in the last example, if I will take that, we are going to get a carry. At that time, increment or not. Okay. Actually, this is wrong. I have not mentioned anywhere or not. Whatever it may be, initially R0 is equal to 0. Consider that increment R0. R0 becomes 1. Then add carry with accumulator. Whatever the data we have in the accumulator, this carry, after getting carry, this data is there in the accumulator. That will be stored in the accumulator. We are going to add with a carry. If I'm going to add this carry to this, then I'm going to store with a 30h address location. Here I'm going to get the carry. If I'm going to add with a carry, if I will get a carry, again jump if no carry, it will be going to jump. That is the meaning. Anyhow, we got so that the program will be going to jump across here. This will be dummy program I'm going to write. Understood, everyone? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Make a note for this instruction. This instruction checks the carry flag. This instruction checks the carry flag. If carry is equal to 0, condition is true, then jumps to the specified label or address. Jumps to the specified label or address. If carry is equal to 1, condition is false, then it will be going to execute next instruction. Next instruction. Take next instruction. Next instruction. JZ target or real. Relative address. Jump if accumulator is equal to 0. JZ means jump if accumulator is equal to 0. Description. If all bits of the accumulator are 0, if all bits of the accumulator are 0, branch to the indicated address, otherwise proceed with the next instruction. Operation is, I'm going to take program counter with respect to program counter plus relative address or some data if you want you can take. Condition if A is equal to 0, then program counter will be changed to program counter plus relative address. If I am going to take 2 here, it will be getting 2 here. If I am going to take 3 here, 3. Take one example. Move A comma hash 01H, move B comma hash 02H, add A comma B, jump if 0 to down, else increment or not. This is not comma, increment or not, that's it. And then condition label down is move 40H comma A, program will be end. Trace this program. Before going to trace, make a note. Condition for this instruction. If A is equal to 0, condition is true, then jumps to the address specified by the label down. That is move 40H comma A in the above example. This instruction. Second point, if A is not equal to 0, condition is false. Then proceed with the next instruction. That is increment or not. Got everyone? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Trace this and after that you try for the next instruction. That is jump if no 0 or if not 0. Jump if accumulator is not 0. Quite opposite of this. You have to write the function description as well as one program you have to write. Similar program you have to write. Try this program. Take the attendance. Answer written is Abashri. Adarsha.
Present, sir.
Adish. Ajit. Akanksha.
Present, sir.
Akshita.
Present.
Akshita. Amutavalli.
Present, sir.
Ananya.
Present, sir.
Anusha. Arif.
Present, sir.
Asha.
Present, sir.
Ashok. Smaran.
Present, sir.
Basuraj.
Present, sir.
Bharat.
Present, sir.
Srikari.
Present, sir.
Ashrita. Chaitanya.
Present, sir.
Satish Naidu. Sivanaranappa. Rohit.
Present, sir.
Chandan.
Present, sir.
Ahalya. Chetan.
Present, sir.
Chetan, yes.
Present, sir.
Chetan K. Chinmay.
Present, sir.
Jitendra. Dikshit. Deepika.
Present, sir.
Deepti. Tanushri.
Present, sir.
Dhanush.
Present, sir.
Vignesh Reddy.
Present, sir.
Krishna Rohit.
Present, sir.
Manish. Meghana.
Present, sir.
Girija.
Present, sir.
Guru Kiran.
Present, sir.
Hamsa.
Present, sir.
Harsha. Rutik.
Present, sir.
Jason.
Present, sir.
Javeria Taj.
Present, sir.
Jitesh.
Present, sir.
Kalyan. Venkata Sai Prithvi. Kavya.
Present, sir.
Kirtan.
Present, sir.
Kubra.
Present, sir.
Kona Uday Kumar Reddy. Kshiraj.
Present, sir.
Kushala.
Present, sir.
Layana.
Present, sir.
Likit. Likit. M. Charan.
Present, sir.
Sivakrishna. Can anyone show the example for the last instruction? Will you show, or I will only call one by one? All of you turn on your camera. All of you turn on your camera and show the example. What about others? ತೋರ್ಸೋ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬುಕ್ಕು. What about others? If you are unable to show now, from next class onwards, I will not be write anything. Just I will explain. You have to write the examples, execution part. I think no one is copied. It's a waste of time for me and you also. Yam Charan? Yam Charan? Absent. Okay. Yam Charan? Hrutik, yes? Hrutik, yes? ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ವೋ ಅವ್ರದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. Chetan, yes, is absent already. Left the meeting. Adarsha B. Oh, already 38 members gone. Okay, we'll take once again attendance. I want example program. But same example, Akshita ಏನ್ರಿ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಲ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ. I want jump if accumulator is not 0. Okay, same example if you take, it will be going to continue. Next instruction. Fine. Akshita, Kubra, Smaran, Chandan, Harsha, Chandan Narvi, Jason Varghese, Asha GV. Okay. Fine. Bharat Kumar. I think others not required attendance. Okay, fine. Thank you. We'll continue in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.